Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to contact support in Collect. Maybe you are experiencing a bug on the application, but you don't know how to contact their support. So today, I am going to show you on how you can contact the support of the Collect application. Please check the description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Collect application. Once you open your Collect application, you will see the options below. All items, boards, sort later, and the account button. For these tutorials, you need to simply tap on this account. And this in here, you'll see this contact information. You have here that you can give your feedback. If you need help, you can also contact the support. In today's tutorials, you simply need to tap on this contact support, and then you'll be directed into this page. And as you can see in here, submit a request. If you need a hand, our support team is ready to help you out. You have here, you need to paste your email and describe the issue. After that, simply tap on the submit button. There you go. If you wanted to know how to contact the support of Collect, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how to contact the support of the Collect, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.